First unboxing of the channel. From Bugz UK, come this morning. Packaging looks like that. Just get it back. See one here, the first one. Which is the praying mantis. So let's open it up and have a look. It's a big one, isn't it? It's a bigger than I expected. See if we can get it back in its box. There we are. Very gentle persuasion. Come on. It won't come off though, does it? Enclosure for now. Temporary enclosure. See if we can get it in without it attacking me again. You can see it's very active. Go on. Proving to be a bit elusive. Never had one of these before, so don't know how it would have reacted. As you can see, it's now in its temporary enclosure for now. And I'll do a bit of research on that later. This one, Scorpio Maris, we've already took the sticker off. Don't think I'd tell you first. As you can see. It's alive. This is the first one of this colour I've ever owned. So it'll be interesting to see what it's like in its enclosure. Here's the fourth one. Can't say the scientific name, but it's in Indonesia. In fact, I'm not going to bother trying to say any of the scientific names. So try and tell you what they are in English. Let's have a look. Now this one I can see there, just about. I don't know if you can see that one. Oh, that's a big one. There's the Indonesia. I think it's pregnant now. You alive? Yep, it's alive. Might need to give it some water and some food in a minute. That's a big one. So we'll get on to the fifth one. Yes, if I'm saying it right. If I'm not, just put it in comments and correct me. As you can see, it's a big fella. A lot bigger than the Asian forest I had. A lot bigger. And it does appear to be alive. So that's a beast, isn't it? I'll put that back for now, because I've got 3 more to do. The other 3 I'm going to do with temporary enclosures, because the tubs are small. Right, I'll see you in a sec. This is the OP Madagascar. As you can see, it's in one of the small ones, not in one of the big ones, so I'm going to open it directly into a temporary enclosure. And before you get a keyboard warrior, it's a temporary enclosure. Oh, it's only a tiny thing. There's that. I'm going to try and get it out now. Try to get it out best I can with it. There we are. Yeah, I'm not too worried about it being stung because it's not the first time. There we are. You see it? There's my Madagascar. So if I persuade it off there. Oh. There we are. See if it finds it's hard. Again, temporary at the minute. Oh, let's just... There's the OP Madagascar. So there's one done. Now for the curious celebs, if I'm saying it right. If I'm not, put it in comments and correct me. As it's small, here's a temporary enclosure for it. Let's have a look at it, shall we? Oh, again, another little tiny one. Yeah. See, I can get it out without claws, without getting stung. Yeah, it's definitely alive. Oh, it's only a tiny thing. There you are. And you can see, very much alive, looks healthy. So let's get it in. Just tap it like so. Come on. Go on there. There you are. Got some small crickets for them as well as the large for the bigger ones. As you can see, really nice. Last but not least, the Leo Celeste, if I'm saying it right. You see that? I could be saying it wrong, whatever. So let's have a look at this one. Oh, it's got its back to me. Let's try and get it out. Let's see this. Oh yes, it's very much alive. Bit of a feisty one, this. Right. So, open it up. That one. Let's put it in there. That's for now. Go on. That's, oh, you're going off, mate. Go on. There you are. And there we are. Here's one of our temporary enclosures. It's not staying in this is just for now, as you can see. Here we've done it. Because obviously he's a big boy, so he needed a big place to be put. We just make sure we get the right one. Yeah, this is the one. Show you him again. This is the Leactus. So let's get him in. Right. I don't know. It's pretty docile. Come on. Come on, let go. As you can see, when they're bigger, they're easier to handle. Grab them with a tail and it can't sting you in, can it? But it's a lot bigger than the Asian forest I've had in the past. Only about the same size as my old Emperor. But again, lovely scorpion. This is the Murius. Lovely colour. Never had one that colour before. Now this one I'm not going to grab by the tail because, as you can see, probably sting me. There we are. I don't quite know what the temperament of this one's like. Oh, there we are. Straight away. Lovely. Yeah, I'll put a few in this one because it seems like a lively one. So, looks like it's ready for one as well. Kevin! Last one of the day. I'm not even going to try and say it, as you can see. So, get this one into its new home. Oh, this is the nice one. Let's look at that. Matte black. Very nice. Right. Look at that. Look at it. Lovely scorpion, that. And let's see if we can persuade it off. Oh. Go on. Now we're going to put a big one in there with that. Looks like a decent hungry fella. So we'll get him a decent 1 foot munch on. I'll only leave that in for a couple of days, and if it doesn't eat it, then I'll put a smaller one in.